Nice guys, we got our Delta Executor. As you can see, thank you for using Delta. Nice guys, so it works, and now we will test. Hey YouTube people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest updated Delta Executor for my Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device, guys. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step, how you can actually get this online without downloading, as I said, and we will test it later. Does it actually work? So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So let's start and let's go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website, guys. It's called blogsforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Delta Executor tool. And then guys, we will have to enter our Roblox user ID, guys. If you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile and copy your profile link. Let's get back to the tool, and guys, click on this, so it will automatically scrape and paste your user ID from that link, URL. So just click continue when you paste your user ID, and it should search for our user account. And guys, user found, it's really important to get. So now our account is connected. It's me, Mark, and that's my avatar, so you should receive your there. So we will have to click import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. So just click here, and then guys, we will select pre-installed script that we want to receive along our Delta Executor. Guys, you can do this, or if you want. If you don't, it's by your choice, it's optional. So guys, the best thing you can do is to select this Forge Hub. It's currently the best script, and just select this and click continue. So we are ban protected and we don't have to worry about bans. It's totally undetected. So guys, we selected this script, and we will receive it along our Delta Executor without key. So let's test it now. Let's see what's next step. And nice guys, API is connected and our user account is connected, as I said. And guys, we got our activation key for our Delta Executor. Nice, it's generated. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor with key on our account. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can literally complete whatever you want. You can install apps, you can install games, literally whatever you want. Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. So guys, what will I do now? I will download TikTok and Domino Dreams game. So basically click free, click go, as I said, and it will start downloading. And guys, it's really important to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task, and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I completed Domino Dreams and TikTok, and I'm still waiting for about 1 minute. It should redirect us every second. I won't skip this video. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID and our key is connected. As you can see now, it's unrevealed. As you can see, we got it whole key. And guys, now we'll open our Roblox and we will test does it actually work. So let's see. That's my account, as I said, and we will play any game. Like, let's try fish, right? So I like fish, I like to play fish. So guys, we also imported our script named Forge Hub, right? So let's see. Okay, nice guys, we got our Delta Executor. As you can see, thank you for using Delta. Nice guys, so it works. And now we will test our our Forge Hub. Does it actually work? I will stay here and let's open Delta Executor and let's see pre-installed script. There we go, guys. Forge Hub. That's script that I was talking about. We pre-installed it and activated with its key for free. So let's click execute, guys. This script works for literally a lot of games. So we will try now to open this script and to test our Delta Executor. So we got into this and I will click player. For start, let's Fulbright, right? Nice. Remove fog and FPS booster. Let's test this, guys. So nice. It works automatically better, as you can see, and we can play with a lot of options here. So guys, let's test some farms. You can do, I said, literally with every game you imagine with this Forge Hub and the Delta Executor from Blox Forge. So guys, you can go on Dead Rails, you can go on Blox Fritz, you can go on literally whatever game you play. So let's click enable farming. Let's enable all these, guys, and let's click perfect catch, sell. Oops. And let's test. Yep, guys, it works amazing. As you can see, this Delta Executor is working amazing job. It's everything automated. As you can see, nice. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.